friends, I am Inshia. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss the synthesis and some reactions of furan. Furan is an organic compound coming under the class heterocyclic compound. In furan is a 5-membered heterocyclic compound with oxygen as the hetero atom. The numbering of ring numbers of the furan is done in the counterclockwise direction starting from oxygen. That is the first number. The oxygen is the first member of the ring, and the carbon right to the oxygen is the second member of the ring, and this carbon is the third member. This is the third member, and this carbon is the fourth member of the ring, and this carbon is the fifth member of the ring. This is the numbering of the ring members of the furan. And next, I am going to discuss the synthesis of furan. Here, I am going to discuss the two important synthetic methods for furan. First one is the synthesis of furan from nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is a tetrahydroxy dicarboxylic acid. Tetrahydroxy dicarboxylic acid, which on dry distillation we can get the furoic acid. Furoic acid is a carboxylic acid derivative of the furan, in which the carboxyl group is attached to the second position of the furan. This furoic acid undergo decarboxylation, that is the elimination of a CO2 molecule. In the presence of copper and quinoline, we can get furan. Then the second method is the synthesis of furan from pentose and aldopentose. This is a carbohydrate, 5-carbon carbohydrate, which on distillation in the presence of dilute acids like dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid, we can get furfural. Furfural is a aldehyde derivative of the furan, in which the aldehyde group is attached to the second position of the furan, which undergo which on treatment with steam distillation using calcium oxide as the catalyst, we can get furan by eliminating a molecule of carbon monoxide. These are the two methods for synthesis of the furan. One is from nucleic acid and other is from aldopentose. Here this reaction, the second reaction, is also used as a method for the detection or identification of reducing sugar. This test is known as the Mollius test or Mollius reaction. Next, I am going to discuss some reactions, especially the electrophilic substitution reactions of furan. Furan is an aromatic compound. It is highly stable. It undergo substitution reaction rather than addition reaction. The substitution reaction, the hydrogen of the aromatic ring is replaced by an electrophile. There are 5 electrophilic substitution reactions are mentioned here: nitration, sulfonation, formylation, chlorination, and acetylation. And the first one, this nitration reaction, the furan is treated with acetyl nitrate, and we can get a 2-nitrofuran. That is, the nitro group is bonded to the second position of the furan, and in sulfonation, the furan reacts with the sulfur trioxide in pyridine. We can get furan 2-sulfonic acid. Furan 2-sulfonic acid. The 2 indicates the position at which the sulfonic acid with the SO3H group is bonded. And then formylation is taking place using the formylating agent, that is phosphorus oxychloride and dimethyl formamide, and we can get it to formal furan, that is furfural. This already discussed. This furfural. This reaction is known as The formylation reaction using this formilating agent is known as Wills-Meyer-Haag reaction. Wills-Meyer-Haag reaction. Wills-Meyer-Haag reaction. And then again it furan undergo chlorination at very low temperature in the presence of chlorine. The temperature is about -40 degrees Celsius. The temperature is about -40 degrees Celsius. We can get the 2-chlorofuran as the major product with some amount of 2,5-dichlorofuran, and it is the major product. Then at a high temperature, the reaction is not carried out at a higher temperature because at a higher temperature, this ring, the furan ring, is broken. So the chlorination is taking place at a very low temperature. The furan also undergo acetylation reaction in the presence of acetic anhydride and then Lewis acid like BF3, that is boron trifluoride, and we can get the 2-acetyl furan. These are some electrophilic substitution reactions of furan. In all these reactions, the electrophile are bonded to the second position of the furan. Okay, I wish to stop here. Thank you for watching.